thumb. This is the thumb. Like this, like this. Do like this. This. Then use your thumb. Press it. Press. Press it with your thumb. Press it with your thumb. Thumb. Look like this. Like this. Okay. Now press it with your hand. Press it with your hand. Then press mo na, press mo. Like this. Go, press it really, really hard.
Really hard, really hard, really hard, really hard.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Wait, wait. Let me see first. Let me see first. Okay, press it. Press it really hard. Press it more. Press it more. Press it more.
Oh no!
Wow! Okay, remove the excess Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Real. Pretty.
Put them back. Put them back inside the container. Put them back inside the container. Here. Daddy will help you, okay? Finish.